Hello, it's been a while. This is Simon, otherwise known as Gundam UK, and this is part 4 of my work in progress series for the master grade ReZEL Defenser. At the moment I've got everything in a box here because I'm keeping it as free from dust as I possibly can. But as you can see, I have now completed the leg section, which is nice. So you can see here the extra colour which I didn't have before in the backpack, which is the Air Superiority Blue. And I'm now just about to finish. I'm just painting up the head and the torso unit. Just to recap, basically for these dark blue parts here, these navy blue parts, I've just done a priming coat. Then I've done 2 coats of this navy blue. Then I've done my decals, and then I've gone over it all in this rather nice Mr. Colour GX114, which provides me with a lovely satin finish. So all that remains is for me to finish painting torso, and then we're going to go ahead and reassemble the whole kit, and then finally we can call this one done. So now the torso is completed, so it's time to attach the torso to the legs. A couple of issues when I was reassembling it. It was a little bit tighter in some places, and I ended up very slightly scratching the paint, but thankfully that's not that noticeable, and I managed to retouch it afterwards. So here we go. Doing some fiddling just to make sure that as these two attach, that everything is kind of out of the way, so we don't end up with any more scratches. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Ooh, there we go. And we're now attached. Let's just get the balance right, and then the next thing we're going to do is attach the backpack, and then I'm going to get it into the light booth so you can have a proper look at it. Okay, so here's a little rotational tour of the completed and reassembled model kit. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. I really like the paint job. Although I didn't really do any additional detailing to this, it was still really nice to work with, and I really like the original design, so I'm pretty pleased overall with how it came out. And here is some closer shots of the model kit itself, and I'm just going to put at the end of this video just a quick slideshow to show it all done. So thank you all for watching this work in progress series, and I will see you again in the next one. Please remember to hit subscribe and hit the like button on this video if you like what I do. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you next time. Okay, goodbye.